This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Ramona Weber. Welcome to the Inviting ECLIPSE model, with a first floor primary additional flex room and laundry room all on the first floor. Open floor plan with a sprawling island, complemented by the elegance of 9 feet ceilings on the first floor. Revel in the finer details '7" baseboards, luxurious LVP flooring in key areas, and sleek tile in the owner's bath. Indulge in upgraded comforts with plush carpeting in the bedrooms.The. The heart of the home boasts quartz kitchen counters, paired with custom cabinets for a touch of sophistication. Craftsman interior doors add a timeless charm, while the tankless water heater and optional gas fireplace enhance both convenience and warmth. This residence goes beyond the basics, offering a myriad of beautiful included features. Tailor your living space to your liking with numerous options and features, creating a truly unique custom home that reflects your style and preferences. April 30, 2024. For more information.